Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so something pretty awesome came from New Mobile, and I wanted to share this experience with you guys. As you guys are all clutch, you guys are awesome, so I figured I would share this. And to my surprise, a little bit more than what I was expecting. So recently I was on Twitter and I casted my vote for the Groundhog's Day guest. And I was selected as one of the winners to win a swag bag from New Mobile, which is really awesome. And it just came today, so it's actually pretty cool. So I opened the box already, and the first thing that appears is this really awesome letter. I love, when people take the time to actually like write out a note or type out a note. But this is from New Mobile, and it's basically says, "Dear Tito, thanks so much for participating and sharing your predictions for Groundhog's Day. Your attitude and engagement with our brand reminds us why we are in this business in the first place. We sincerely appreciate your enthusiasm with us. As promised, this package is a full swag. I've included an extra surprise in the box because you've been wonderful interacting with us through our social media channels. This surprise is outside of the gifting that was intended with this post." So they gave me something extra. So I'll probably frame that letter like the same as I like the drawing that I got from Max Lee. I have that framed. But anyways, so let's kind of go through this. So there's another note in here. Okay, I know what they gave me extra. So I will. There it is. All right, so we'll start off with what I won from the Twitter contest. So that's actually pretty cool. I love these things. I can use these things when I go to the gym. So this is awesome. It carries some water. So I appreciate that. And I got some cups here. I don't know if these are color changing cups, like if they change color when you put like cold or hot water in them. Or if they're not, that's cool. But nonetheless, always good to have. A pop socket. Nice. Love these things. And this was actually pretty cool because I believe, if that is correct, I think this is, yeah, you can actually have one end clipped to like a vent in your car. So you can have it like hooked using the pop socket and hook it so that way it's mounted to your car. That's awesome. I just thought it was the pop socket by itself, but it actually comes with a vent holder for your vehicle. So we got what looks like to be, just to make sure, yep, a notebook. This will come in handy to jot down ideas or just for me to write like my personal thoughts. I'm gonna start doing that. So that actually comes in handy. And what better way to have a notebook to also come with some pens. So that is awesome. New Mobile pens, can't go wrong. A nice little lanyard here. This is cool. I actually am going to switch my keys over to this, and that way when I walk around I can fly New Mobile branding, because I do believe New Mobile builds pretty good devices, so I do want people to be more aware of their products. And we got a drawstring bag, so that's actually pretty sweet. I can carry my stuff with this, or I can probably just like mount it right here in the background. We'll decide. And the last thing, which is the extra gift that they gave me, is the X6. So here we go. So we put the box to the side here, and let's see. So it says with the additional letters that they put inside the box, encloses our newest X6. Tells me the pricing of it and everything like that, so that's cool. And there is a says every retail device includes a SIM with a 5 GB data per month for 3 months free. So that's awesome. Yeah, so that's everything that New Mobile just sent me. So one thing I do want to do is, Paige, thank you so much for the extra gift, and also with all these goodies. I really appreciate it. And yeah, definitely we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing here, but that'll be a separate video. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is really cool. Thank you so much, New Mobile. I really appreciate it. So that's it for right now, guys. If you guys have any questions about the X6, stay tuned for the unboxing. and a first impressions video that will be coming out today. I'm gonna do that just right now, but I'll do it in a separate video. And then yeah, so that's it for right now, guys. Follow New Mobile on their social medias. I will link them in the description so you guys can follow them. And yeah, maybe when they do another contest, you guys will be lucky as to enter in and get some pretty cool stuff from them. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and as always, aloha.
Let me out! I'm stuck in your pocket.